Wow, it's a beautiful day here in Kandy. We're live from Pallekele International Cricket Stadium. The sun is shining, blue skies around.
So the news from here is that Tisera Pereira and the Kandy Bolts won the toss. They're going to have a bowl first.
This is game number 13, and whenever we have had a toss, the captains opted to bowl first. Kusal Pereira highlighted because he came in as the impact player in the previous game. Now, Tisera Pereira, what were you thinking? He's got 3 changes in his team. Ernesto Veza from Zimbabwe is in, Mohammad Shamaz, and Kamindu Nirmana. Bowled! There's another duck!
A hat-trick of ducks for this partnership. Wasn't that short? I thought Kusal Janit misjudged the length there. Gone without scoring, none for one.
That's through, that'll be 4. Powerfully hit. There was swing. Full toss, that's 4. Too easy this. Down the ground, that'll be 6.
He's going to fire it in. And when you fire it in and bowl into the arc of a hitter, you'll get the treatment. And he did. That's to the stands.
Down the ground, don't bother running. They're getting bigger and bigger from Shehzad.
First to the offside, second through the long on area. He's anticipating ball not to turn. That's why, hence, he's going towards long on. Almost like a golf swing, opening up the front foot.
Bowls it shorter. Still 4. Tisera Pereira. Ball, he does. He gets a wicket.
He has been striking everything towards mid-wicket and pays the price in the end. Daniel gone for 5. The Tigers 46 for 2.
He's got that in the gap. Even if he didn't matter because it's gone all the way. He'll get to 48, but not to 50.
Now down towards and straight the way through, so he'll bring up a 50. Second fastest 50 this season.
Bowl him. Yorker length did the job.
He goes leg side and it just drifts back in. Prasanna gets a little bit of drift because he's getting revolutions on the ball. But a really good half century from Hamid Shehzad. Gone for 52, 77 for 3. Reverse sweep. And that is a good looking shot. What a shot. That is a beautiful looking shot. Just watch his position, watch his leg position, his back leg.
And that was right in the slot. A bit of room for him to swing his arms. Did it effectively, Dashan Shanaka. That's in the air, taken. Maybe that was the reason why this kind of field placing.
He goes wide and he's trying to get it square, of course. And it's a simple catch. Richie Gay, well, he goes for 5 and the Tigers 90 for 4. Going for it again, gets it through. Not sure that should have got through. Just get a hand on it. Up and over. Gets a thick inside edge and this will run away again. Now then, has he got enough of it? I don't think he has. There's a little slip. It was nearly a brilliant catch. He came in. It's like he didn't pick it up straight away. And then he has a slip. He slips there, then has to put it into reverse. And I think even if it had caught it, it had taken it over the line. Oh, that's a nice shot. That is a nice shot. Not a lot you can do. Over extra and out of the ground into the bank. Can anybody catch it? No.
And he did too. Lakshan went all the way for a 6.
That must be close. Has to be close given.
Went fuller and realized the open stance of the batsman suggested that he's going to go over boundary line. Thought hard, pitched it up and picked up a wicket of Lakshan. Scored 18, 136 for 5.
Udana in at 7. And a good wicket, but what a way for Udana to get off the mark. It's the highest score so far. Has he got enough of it? He has got enough of it. Length delivery, but it's gone out towards cover and taken.
They changed the line. And with that delivery, pushed it outside the off stump. Had protection there. 11 from 5 deliveries. 147 for 6.
And he's going to get a top edge out towards that man, but he's just going to watch it fly over for a maximum. Gone fuller this time. It's another maximum. 162 now, and there's a ball to go. What a shot this is. Little glance to the scoreboard then. Little glance to the scoreboard. Does he get it past extra? He doesn't. It should just be 1. It is 1. But an excellent performance from the Hambatota BanglaT Tigers. 22 from the last over.
They don't allow the bowling side to breathe. Contribution from everybody apart from Kusal Pereira.
Too many wides, too many freebies. Couple of wickets for the captain, Tisera Pereira with 2 for 26.
That's what Nissanka comes at him. He slaps it. Outfield will do the rest.
And goes over the top. No, he hasn't actually. For a moment I thought he's cleared mid-on. But instead, it's Dasun Shanaka who catches it at mid-on.
Bottom of the bat it is. He's through the shot a little early. Once he gone for naught, it's 5 for 1.
Goes high and goes long. And he gets off the mark with a massive 6. Wicketkeeper standing up, and that's tough for 4. Another one. This time over mid-wicket. 1 bounce for 4. Down the wicket he comes. Not in control, but might fall safe. In fact, he doesn't.
There's a slight bit of grip, and hence he doesn't get the timing. And then there was a lot of work for Dasun Shanaka to do. Running backwards, never easy. 13 runs to him today. It's 38 for 2.
Slams it for 4.
Vijaykanth Vyaskanth, short. But Pathum Nissanka can only find his Udana on the boundary line.
Dragged it down. He was looking to go over long on. Good flat hit and a good catch.
Pathum Nissanka, 15 off 11 to him. 44 for 3.
This is Jayasuriya getting off the mark. This is Shehan Jayasuriya. Another one, this time 4. Hit with a lot of power.
Tries to bowl it away from him. He gets it again. And he gets enough. He does.
This has to be close, and in fact it's given.
But you'd have to say, going by those pictures, very unfortunate. Pitching outside leg stump. He's given them a push. He's given them a giddy up. 23 off 7. 68 for 4.
Pereira gets it. And that's 6. It's gone all the way.
Full toss. He's missed it.
Looked like a cross seamer to me, dipping and hit the base. He's gone for 11. It's 77 for 5.
Now then, in the air, this should be easy for the bowler. Caught and bowled. See you later. We're going to try and win the game.
This occasion was a pace off by Srudana. Using all his experience, in the end says mine and pouches it. Imad Wasim, the Pakistan international, goes back without scoring. The Kandy bowls 82 for 6.
Again, he's gone full, but the fielder is up. That's a lovely looking shot. It's a beautiful another 6. Slower delivery. It's good from Ratnayake. He just holds this back. It just turns a little bit.
Turned slightly, bottom of the bat. Gone for 4, Nirmala. 108 for 7, the bowls. He's going to only aim at deep mid-wicket. Not this occasion. Bottom of the bat and taken at mid-wicket.
You've just got to try and keep going and try and get as many as possible. Like you say, off the bottom of the bat, it goes high and it's towards that bigger side. Gone second ball for Non Prasanna, 108 for 8.
Ball aim, Thardu Ratnayake. He's been really good right throughout this T10.
Ambidextrous bowler, he can bowl off spin one ball, next ball left arm spin, just on with the arm. Look at those figures for him as well. 2 overs, 4 for 10. Gone for 25, Shamaz, or nearly the end for the Bolts. 109 for 9. Hit out towards the leg side, should just be 1. Yeah, this has been a good performance from the BanglaT Tigers, and the way that they've performed, they've thoroughly deserved this win. 116 for 9. 163 for 6 off the 10 overs. The Hambatota BanglaT Tigers, half century from Mohammad Shahzad. What a performance from him. And Shanika with 39 from 15. He's impressed both times we've seen him bat. And for the Bolts, they couldn't get going. Shamaz was good with his 25, so was Nisanka and Chandimal, but 116 for 9, 4 for 10 for Ratnayake, and the Hambatota BanglaT Tigers, they win by 47 runs.